like, really? Fucking Rosie finds these places. El Cortez. Put your money in, you get a good hand, you can't press the goddamn button. I know, I like it too.
It's old school.
Yeah. But they need to have more cocktail waitresses.
Yeah, well, as long as you can put the light on and they come, I'm happy.
Yeah, that's a good thing. She shows up.
Okay, guys, we're about 20 miles from Vegas here, and we're rolling into the town of
Use the left
Boulder.
2 lanes to turn left to stay on US 93 South.
And Boulder, interestingly enough, Boulder's the only city in Nevada where gambling is illegal, believe it or not. But it makes sense when you think about the guys were building the dam and getting paid, and it was the heart of the Depression right there, and the government didn't want these guys.
Stay on US 93 South.
Excuse me. They didn't want these guys pissing away their paychecks.
Continue on US 93 South for 5 miles.
Gambling and all that, and they didn't have any saloons or anything, so they've kept that tradition right to this day for about 80 years. No gambling in Boulder, and it's a cute little town. It looks very 1930-ish, a lot of the buildings and things. So, all right, well, we're sort of rolling past that now. No, there it is up ahead on the left-hand side. You can see Boulder ahead. It's a cute little town. They got the Spanish-style red roofs. Well, you can imagine in the summertime, it's easily get here to 105, 110 during the daytime. Now we're dropping down. You can see in the distance, you can see Lake Mead already coming into view down there. Roll over top of the dam today and walk on out there. Halfway over, we're actually in the state of Arizona, so kind of interesting. And there's a time zone change too. Halfway.
Is it really?
Yeah, there's a time zone change on the dam. So yeah, there it is in the distance. You can see Lake Mead down there. That's all the lake that's impounded behind Hoover Dam. It's beautiful. The water levels almost reaching historically low levels down there. So. security dick here.